Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make mango soufflé. First, prepare your mango puree using ripe, sweet mangoes. Ensure it's smooth and free of fibrous bits. You'll need 1 cup of this vibrant puree. This foundational step is key to achieving that authentic mango flavor and a silky texture in your finished soufflé. Get ready for a delightful dessert. Next, we'll create the perfect meringue, which gives our soufflé its signature lift. Whip 4 egg whites until they form soft peaks. Then, gradually add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. This airy mixture is essential for a light and delicate texture. Don't rush this step. Now for the delicate art of combining. Gently fold the mango puree into your meringue, preserving as much air as possible. Carefully pour this delightful mixture into your prepared ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Bake your soufflés at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Watch them rise beautifully. The moment of truth. Serve your exquisite mango soufflé immediately after it comes out of the oven. A light dusting of powdered sugar can add a beautiful finishing touch. Enjoy the incredible lightness and vibrant tropical flavor of your homemade dessert. This truly is the only way to experience a perfect mango soufflé. Bon appétit!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.